Hi guys, and welcome back to the Tasted Product channel. Whether you're filming cinematic B-roll, client work, or your next YouTube video, smooth and stable footage can instantly level up your content. Camera stabilization systems help, but nothing beats a dedicated gimbal when it comes to professional motion control. In this video, we'll check out the best gimbals for mirrorless and DSLR cameras. From heavy-duty setups to budget-friendly options, there's something here for every kind of creator. All the links to the featured gimbals are in the description below. So if you're ready, let's get started. Number 6. DJI 4 Rupees Pro. If you're shooting with a full-frame DSLR or a cinema rig, the DJI RS4 Pro is in a league of its own. This beast of a gimbal supports up to 4.5 kilograms of payload, making it one of the most capable stabilizers on the market. It's loaded with features designed to ease the pain of balancing bulky setups. The Teflon-coated tilt axis allows for ultra-smooth adjustments, while the dual sliding bearings on the roll axis let you dial in the perfect position quickly. There's even a dedicated knob to fine-tune tilt balance, a game-changer for precision. And let's talk convenience. The RS4 Pro includes auto-locking arms, so you never have to worry about forgetting to unlock them during setup. That means fewer delays and more shooting. It also comes with 12 hours of battery life. And thanks to DJI's legendary stabilization tech, you get cinematic motion no matter how heavy your gear. This gimbal is a top-tier choice for wedding filmmakers, cinematographers, and event videographers using setups like Canon R5 or Red Komodo rigs. Number 5. Zhiyun Crane 4. For serious shooters who want a combination of strength and sophistication, the Zhiyun Crane 4 is a compelling premium option. It handles everything from DSLRs to mirrorless and small-sign cameras. But what really sets it apart is the attention to ergonomics. It features a wrist rest, a sling grip, and a built-in fill light, so you're comfortable even during extended shooting sessions. Each motor includes indicator lights, making the balancing process fast and easy. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, and the mobile app offers remote control and shooting modes like motion lapse, POV, and vortex. With a battery life of around 12 hours, Bluetooth shutter control, and a robust build, this gimbal is perfect for documentary filmmakers, content creators, and YouTube pros who want comfort without compromising on power. Number 4. Zhiyun Weebill 3S. If long handheld sessions are your norm, the Zhiyun Weebill 3S is built for comfort and endurance. Weighing just 1 kilogram, it features a unique adjustable sling grip and a wrist rest designed to reduce fatigue. You can even rotate the grip closer to the handle for a two-handed hold, which is a blessing for heavier camera rigs. It supports up to 3 kilograms and runs for almost 12 hours on a single charge. You also get a built-in LED light and directional mic, which is great for run-and-gun shoots or vlogging. The only minor flaw was a loose base plate during setup, but once corrected, it stayed rock solid. Great for content creators, music video shooters, or anyone working long events like weddings or conferences. Number 3. DJI 3 Rupees Mini. If you're using a mirrorless camera or even a phone, the DJI RS3 Mini might be all you need. It weighs just 850 grams, making it one of the most portable options available. Despite its size, it still supports a 2.2 kilograms payload, which means it can handle a Sony A7 series with a fast prime lens with ease. What stands out here is the combination of Bluetooth shutter control, touchscreen settings, and a physical mode switch. While it lacks auto-locking arms, the manual design still works great, especially for solo creators. A slight drawback is the vertical shooting mode, which requires a bit of setup, and the plastic finish can make fine balancing tricky. Still, it's a fantastic entry point for vloggers, mobile filmmakers, and on-the-go travel shooters. Number 2. Zhiyun Crane 4e. If you want performance without breaking the bank, the Zhiyun Crane 4e delivers. This 3-axis gimbal supports both DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, and comes with a mini tripod, Bluetooth shutter control, and native vertical shooting mode. Great for social media. Although it doesn't include premium extras like indicator lights or a fill light, it nails the basics. You get solid battery life at 12 hours, a durable build, and reliable stabilization. We recommend this for those using cameras like the Canon EOS 90D or Fujifilm X-T5, and creators who want a trustworthy, affordable stabilizer for portrait and landscape footage. Number 1. FeiyuTech Scorp 2. Finally, we have the FeiyuTech Scorp 2, a feature-packed budget gimbal that stands out with AI-powered subject tracking. It handles up to 2.5 kilograms, more than enough for most mirrorless cameras, and is equipped with Bluetooth control, a 1.3 in OLED display, and a smartphone-controlled gyroscope mode similar to DJI's Force Mobile. What's unique here is the built-in AI sensor that recognizes hand gestures to start and stop tracking, ideal for solo creators or YouTubers who shoot without a camera operator. While we had trouble pairing it with a camera via Bluetooth, it worked flawlessly with a smartphone. At this price point, it's a steal for creators who want pro-style motion control on a tight budget. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.